Oregon grapefruit at growplants.org, also known as Mahonia aquifolium. So let's start to talk about the fruit because this is why we are here. So the fruit are not edible. The fruit contain toxic, and although they are super beautiful, if you want to grow it for the fruit, be aware that it's a bit of a problem because it's look like a small grapes and children can eat it without to know it, and especially small children. So be aware that although it's very beautiful, it's not something that I would recommend to grow if you have a small children. So now we will grow about okay, so about the fruit. They are edible actually, but you need to know how to manage them. As I said before, they are used for medical and they are contain toxic. But okay, so it's not recommended to eat, but it's possible. So if you're not gonna starve, don't do it, and let's finish with it like this. So some tips about growing it. There is another video, but general tips. You're already here. So require acidic soil. It will be the best, and plant it in the spring. It's need full sun to have shade in order to bloom, and it's bloom in the spring. And the flowers are yellow, they are nice, but the fruits are nicer. It just look a great plant to grow. This is can use as edge plant, and it's not very difficult to grow it because it's super easy. There isn't special requirement. It's grow very easy. So when you choose a plant to grow as an edge plant, if you have a huge garden and you need a great edge plant that require not too much care, this is the right plant for you. And of course, if you have children, this is not the right plant for you. So that's all from growplants.org. Don't forget to subscribe, visit our website, and of course like this video. Hope you enjoy.